Can you really move money from PayPal to Monese? Let's break it down. Hey everyone! Ever found yourself with some cash sitting in your PayPal account, but you'd rather have it readily available in your Monese account? Maybe you want to use your Monese card for an upcoming trip or consolidate your finances. Whatever the reason, the question remains, can you actually transfer money between these two popular financial platforms? Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back. PayPal is an online payment giant, allowing you to send and receive money globally, shop online seamlessly, and even hold a balance. Monese, on the other hand, is a mobile banking app that offers a current account, debit card, and various money management features. Both services cater to different needs, but sometimes our financial lives get a little messy, and the need to move money between them arises. So, can you do it? Buckle up, because the answer depends on a few key factors. Here's the thing, as of July 2024, a direct transfer functionality between PayPal and Monese isn't available for everyone. However, there's a glimmer of hope. Monese recently rolled out a feature that allows customers in specific European countries to link their Monese accounts directly to PayPal. Here's the exciting part. If you're in Austria, Belgium, France, Germany, Italy, Luxembourg, Poland, Portugal, Spain, the Netherlands, or the UK, you might be in luck. Monese linking feature lets you seamlessly manage your PayPal balance and transactions within the Monese app. You can even add your Monese card to your PayPal wallet for easier and faster payments at millions of online stores. Now, for those of you outside these lucky European zones, fret not. While a direct transfer option might not be there yet, there are alternative ways to get your money from PayPal to Monese. Let's explore a few workarounds. Option 1. Transfer to your bank account. This is a good old-fashioned method. You can withdraw your PayPal balance to your linked bank account and then transfer it to your Monese account. This process typically takes a couple of business days, so keep that in mind if you need the money urgently. Option 2. Use a debit card. If you have a debit card linked to both your PayPal and Monese accounts, you can use it as a bridge. Transfer the funds from PayPal to your debit card and then top up your Monese account using the same card. There might be associated fees for this transaction, so check the terms and conditions of both platforms before proceeding. Option 3. Send money to a friend, trustworthy one, obviously. This might sound unconventional, but it can work in a pinch. Here's the deal. Send the money from your PayPal account to a trusted friend who has a bank account linked to their Monese account. Once they receive it, they can transfer the same amount to your Monese account. This method relies on trust and clear communication, so make sure you're comfortable with this approach. A final word, stay updated. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and new features are added all the time. Keep an eye on both Monese and PayPal's official announcements to see if a direct transfer functionality becomes available in your region. Who knows, maybe the future holds a one-click solution for all of us. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.